So one of the things I didn't realize was that because I have the OneDrive app on my mobile device, I'm actually synchronizing every photo and every video that I've taken on my phone, my personal device, directly to my online OneDrive work account. I think it's important that you check whether or not you're doing that, and just remember that videos and photo files are typically very large. So this could be taking up a lot of your OneDrive storage. So let's see how you check your mobile device, be it a phone or a tablet, as to whether or not it's actually in the background synchronizing everything that you've taken with your camera onto your OneDrive. So by clicking into the OneDrive app, I can click on my pretty picture in the top left-hand corner, which gives me the access to my settings. By then clicking on my settings, I can see that one of the options here is camera upload. If I click onto that, I can see that my work account is on, and it shows that it's including videos and that it'll organize all these uploads from month to month. Now, this is a little bit of a concern because all of my private photos and videos are synchronizing back to my work account, and I can actually now look at how much storage that is taking up. So the first thing I'm going to do is just slide that across and take that off so that it's no longer synchronizing. But now, where's it going? Because it's not synchronizing to my files in my file manager. So back in my online OneDrive space, I'm going to scroll all the way down, and the way my phone was set up, it created a folder called Pictures. If you have a different device, it might be named slightly differently. And when I click on the ellipses and I click on Details, click on More Details, it shows that this folder is 26 gigabytes. So I'm probably also using data, and my phone is working a lot harder as soon as I go into a Wi-Fi environment. That means that I'm probably using battery as well. So make sure that your device is not synchronizing to more than one online storage facility, be it your Google Cloud or your iCloud or OneDrive. So now let's manage what is going into my work OneDrive space. So I've identified that it's actually in Pictures, and when I click into it, I can see that the camera roll here is organized by year and date very nicely into a year and each month. So I think I need to move all of this into offline storage. So remember how we synchronized our folders from the online storage to our computer? I'm going to do the same. I'm going to scroll down and tick that Pictures folder because I know it's not on my computer. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to tick it and click OK. So now it's going to start synchronizing, or at least create a folder space in my OneDrive on the computer. And if I go to my file manager again, and I scroll down, I can see that it's starting, the green line at the top is starting to pair the files that are in the online environment with my computer. But now remember, when you've synchronized files, that doesn't take them off your online space. But for me, this is a quick way to take my pictures. You can see the folder has shown up now. It's a quick way for me to take my pictures and move them into my computer's Pictures folder. They haven't yet synchronized here. So you can see there's the cloud is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the folder, and here you can say always keep on this device, which means that it won't be a cloud, it'll always be ticked. It'll always be on the device. And I'm only going to do that for a short period of time because for now I want all of the photos and all of the videos to transfer from the online environment onto the computer file manager. It's still under OneDrive on the computer, so once it's finished synchronizing all now 6,639 items, I can then copy and move that file into my documents or into my pictures on my computer, and then I can go back to the online space and delete it from there. That way I'm not losing anything that I've taken on the phone that's already synchronized to the OneDrive, but I am able to take it off my OneDrive and free up that 26 gigabytes of space. So I'm now starting to really button down on how much OneDrive storage I'm actually using. So that wraps up our how to optimize your OneDrive storage. Happy deleting, and make sure you empty that recycle bin.